this, and we got that, and we
I'm
haven't
hungry.
even left yet.
I'm hungry. This is kind of embarrassing that this is the first thing we buy on our little vacation here.
Brian's pie, and I couldn't resist getting myself a snack, so here it is. So we got to Wellington, got an Uber, and checked in at our Airbnb, and now we're going to walk toward the town area and get some lunch. What's the plan, Bri?
Go eat something.
Alright. So for our first meal here, we got these things, and yeah, I'm gonna dig in now because I can't wait. Butternut cake, kimchi and chicken dumpling. What was this one? Like a shrimp rice cake, and a spicy mushroom dumpling, pork and shrimp dumpling, and spare ribs. So where are we, Brian?
At the
Hey, Papa
New Zealand
Museum.
National Museum. Is it Te Papa?
So we
Something.
got lunch, and I'm a little full from it. We got 6 little things.
There's a dim sum place, which means you sit down and they immediately roll over a tray of already made food. And it is incredibly easy to just pick this, and you end up with a table full of whatever.
So
I
am incredibly full, and now we need to walk off some of our
We got more
food.
than we kind of needed.
Alright, let's go.
But it's not bad. So.
So we got a matcha milk tea for Brian, and a lemon winter melon tea for me. Over here we have pork belly tacos. We have an enchilada with a salad. What kind of enchilada is this?
It's like mushroom and something, and yeah.
And then we have beignets. It's our second day here, and we just got to this place called Leeds Street Bakery, and
Leeds Street Bakery.
this is slowly becoming a foodie pilgrimage. I got a apple and pulled pork pie, and I got a lamb and harissa sausage roll. So we're going to this chocolate factory called Wellington Chocolate Factory, and it's right here, and we're gonna go inside. That chocolate was really good, but we didn't get anything. I guess because we didn't want to carry anything.
I don't want to carry anything, and we already had breakfast just a couple of minutes ago. So.
It was good though. Another new place to order online in the future. Found ourselves in a bookstore. A used bookstore called Books.
We're going to Weta Workshop.
It's free.
Uh-huh.
We can go figure out where we go, I suppose. Well, Parliament tour in a little bit. So,
Yep.
and that is the old government building.
I like this thing. That you can see the copper
Yeah.
where it's kind of like run down a little bit. Even. It's interesting.
So we are here for the tour, and we just got to security, and they gave us these little stickers.